Can you guess the longest snake on Earth? It's not the anaconda. Today, we are diving deep into the biology of the reticulated python, the undisputed champion of length. The reticulated python is a non-venomous constrictor found in Southeast Asia. Unlike venomous species like the king cobra, these giants hunt by waiting as ambush predators before striking with immense power. While most grow to 15 feet, giant females can reach over 20 feet and weigh more than 200 pounds. This massive size allows them to consume large prey like wild pigs or deer. A major scientific breakthrough occurred in late 2025 when a female was measured in Indonesia. Verified data confirms a staggering length of 7.22 meters, or 23 feet, 8 inches. These snakes have unique heat-sensing pits on their faces that allow them to detect warm-blooded prey in total darkness. Their complex scales create a distinct net-like pattern, hence the name reticulated. Despite their impressive size, public parks often introduce stress to captive pythons. Brief outdoor exposure offers limited benefits, but these reptiles require specialized care to thrive in human environments. In summary, the reticulated python holds the record for the longest snake ever formally measured. With lengths exceeding 7 meters, they remain the most impressive reptile in the animal kingdom. We've explored the world's longest snake, from its hunting methods to its recent record-breaking discovery. What other giant animals are you curious about? Let me know in the comments below.